Detox diets are a popular method for weight loss. Many claim to help you lose weight quickly, clean harmful toxins from your body, and make you feel better. Detox diet plans range from being very restrictive all-liquid diets, to more inclusive and whole foods-based diets. The idea of resetting your body and starting fresh with a detox diet can be appealing, especially if you have been eating poorly or drinking a lot of alcohol. However, not all detox diets are safe and not all result in long-term, sustainable weight loss. Carefully choose a safe and well-balanced detox plan to help you lose weight. 1. Selecting a safe detox plan. Talk to your doctor. Regardless of what type of diet you choose, make sure to talk to your doctor first. This is especially important if you are going to follow a detox diet. You'll need to make sure your detox diet of choice is safe and appropriate for you. Go for a plan that suggests whole, unprocessed foods. You may find detox plans that suggest only eating unprocessed, whole foods. These are great plans to follow as they're generally not overly restrictive and get you to eat more nutritious foods. One of the benefits of this type of diet is that it can be a lifestyle change, a sustainable way to permanently change how you eat and nourish your body. Choose a detox plan that restricts additives. Many detox diets do limit certain types of foods, especially added sugars and processed foods. Eliminating these foods can help you feel a lot better and help you lose weight. Look for plans that focus on drinking adequate fluids. Choose a detox diet that has a specified time period. Most diets, especially detox diets, will come with a time limit or specified time period. 2. Avoiding unsafe detox plans. Be suspicious of quick fixes or fads. One common aspect of many detox diets is that they are advertised as quick fixes. This makes them a fad or trendy diet, which is not recommended by health professionals. Avoid plans that suggest taking a lot of supplements. Don't follow diets that suggest only doing liquids. Avoid detox diets that suggest limiting many foods or food groups. 3. Losing and maintaining weight safely. Incorporate physical activity. After you've chosen a detox plan to follow, you'll want to maintain whatever weight you've lost. To do that, make sure you also include regular physical activity into your routine. Limit sweets and high-fat and greasy foods. If your detox diet eliminated processed foods, like sweets or high-fat foods, this is a good idea to continue long-term. Limiting these foods can help you maintain your weight loss. Follow appropriate portion sizes. One area where people do slip up and make mistakes is in regards to portion size.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,